off of work early, so I decided to come down to the river at the Sunrise Access Point. I'm sitting in the dirt on a little beach, just waiting for wildlife action. I did spot an eagle way up there, and at first there was a hawk, like a red-tailed hawk, just constantly buzzing up there, and I'm like, what the fuck? And I think that it was just trying to alert people that there was a larger predator above, and so that was kind of cool. See that going down. Then I figured out, oh, that's an eagle. But then he took off, and he was like higher than the vultures are, and the vultures can get pretty high. But he's just cruising. You know what's really interesting about birds when you watch them is that sometimes they're just flying for recreation. They're just cruising, you know? Like, they're not always on a mission to kill something and eat it. I think they're always open to the opportunity, much like myself. But I find that fascinating when they are just being playful or just cruising along, riding the wind, you know? Sometimes it's just nice to exist as you are. I think that's the same for every life form. Sometimes it's just nice to exist as you are. Sometimes when I'm at the river, I'm paranoid that I'm gonna see a body float up on shore or somehow pass by my peripheral, and I'll have to deal with that situation. Does anybody else feel like that? When you're at the river, do you ever feel like, I really hope I don't see any dead bodies? Or, I mean, are you kind of want to see a dead body? Either way, like, I feel like that thought crosses your mind. Obviously, like, there's news every year of a body being found in the river, either by some hiker, boater, whatever. And then what's with these people that just jump in the river in random places that obviously should not be where they jump into the river, and then all of a sudden they go from a person to a body? It's just weird facts about bodies of water. Bodies of water with bodies. Bodies of water of bodies of bodies of water of bodies. So now I'm walking back towards the car because nothing special is happening. I've had a couple of photos, some decent photos of some cool birds. I really like the belted kingfisher. Just a beautifully designed bird. Definitely a king of fishing. Got the really distant photo of the eagle. Just whatever, I don't know. An eagle in your presence, let alone in a photograph you took, is fine enough luck for me. Otherwise, there's not much else going on over here. Just hiking over by this on this little island.